Don't you love peer pressure?
I didn't even get an option. He's like, hey, I found a motor you're gonna buy. We're gonna go get it on Tuesday.
What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna go pick up a 1UZ for Caleb's Lexus. We're gonna be doing a swap on his IS300. I'm really excited about doing that. We've never done any 1UZ swaps, let alone on a IS300. So we're just waiting for Caleb to get here, and then we're gonna go over to our buddy Jamie's and pick that up. Stick around later in the video. We're gonna go over the winner of the giveaway. And thanks for that.
What are we doing here?
Getting LS400 stuff.
Yeah, this is a bad idea.
Oh, don't you love peer pressure?
Huh?
Don't you love peer pressure?
I didn't even get an option. He's like, hey, I found a motor you're gonna buy. We're gonna go get it on Tuesday. I'm like, okay. Am I paying for it? Yeah, okay. Sounds good. I got faith in you, Jake.
No, he doesn't.
Turn the camera off, and I'll tell you how I really feel. No, see, I am the guy that thinks a good idea and never wants to do it. And Jake's like, if I don't do it for him, it'll never get done. So.
Yeah, what about the Scout though?
Huh?
What about the Scout though?
Yeah, that's mostly my neighbor. No, that's my main project. That's like my first thing that I've actually like done for myself. Most of the time I just build stuff for other people. So I always wanted to LS4 or the 1UZ swap my car, so Jake's the guy to go for with import stuff. I'm the Dodge guy.
What's out there?
I think there's a V8 out there.
Is it what?
I think it's a V8.
Should have had a V8.
So we just got back from Jamie's. For those of you that don't know what a 1UZ is, it's a V8 that comes in the Lexus. It comes in like
SC400.
LS400s, a bunch of different cars that Lexus had. So we're gonna stick this into Caleb's car, which most definitely didn't come with a V8 because he wants V8 noises. So it's gonna be mint. So tomorrow we're gonna bring it over to Caleb's house and unload it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
There.
There you go. Now you got a 1UZ.
Yeah, that's.
How excited are you? No.
If I could only convey to you how excited I am about this. No, it's something I've always wanted to do, but I just don't know. Like,
We got a lot of work.
Yeah,
But there's gonna be a lot of parts we gotta get. So
it's November,
yeah.
and there will be an entire snow season before you probably see this again.
Yeah, that's all right.
At least.
So if you guys are in the area, we're gonna be looking probably for a couple different CD09s. So hit us up and if you guys have anything. So.
Or if you have a used Collins UZ swap kit, because
yeah,
I'm cheap.
That's going to wrap up the video this week. Congratulations to Sam Wolford for winning the giveaway. Send us a DM on Instagram and we'll get that hat and sticker sent over right away. And we'll see you guys next time.